Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to cash in on. To cash in on something is to use one thing to gain another. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Most Olympic gold medalists are able to cash in on their athletic accomplishments through multi-million-dollar advertising contracts or sponsorships. She could cash in on her success, but instead she chooses to give her time for free to help underprivileged youth. To cash in on is to use one thing to gain another. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.